Hey everyone, ART4LIFE here, and I'm going to teach you the tips you need to know in making a simple poster. Before we move on, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's dive in straight into the tips. Tip number 1. Keep a clear message. When it comes to poster design creation, decide on the main message or purpose of the poster. Keep it concise and clear. One that makes a simple statement to be understood and often backs it up with straightforward logic. Always use simple terms. Second tip is visual hierarchy. Use hierarchy to guide viewers through your content. Important information should stand out more prominently. Also make sure the arrangement or organization of elements within a design in a way that guides the viewer's eye through the content in a specific order of importance. It's about creating a clear and logical structure that helps users understand the information. Tip 3. Contrast and color scheme. Utilize contrast to make key elements pop. This can be achieved through differences in color, size, or font weight. Select a cohesive color palette that enhances the overall theme and mood of the poster. Tip 4. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. This arrangement of type involves selecting typefaces, point sizes, line lengths, line spacing, and letter spacing. Here are some examples. Tip number 5. Imagery. When it comes to poster design creation, visual elements like images or graphics must support the message of the poster. Ensure they are high quality and visually appealing. It involves using graphic design principles and technique to create visually appealing and functional digital content that engages and informs online, like this examples. The 6th tip is brand consistency. If the poster is for a brand or event, maintain consistency with existing branding elements such as logos, colors, and fonts. Let's move on to the next tip, which is call to action. Make sure to include a clear call to action to prompt viewers to take a specific next step, such as visiting a website or attending an event. The final tip, proofreading. After designing your poster, double-check spelling, grammar, and overall accuracy to ensure professionalism and credibility. These are really important. Remember to consider your target of audience and the context in which the poster will be displayed when making design decisions. So these are the tips you need to keep in mind when designing a simple poster. Let me know in the comments section if you don't understand anything.